and I'm going to explain the deeper spiritual symbolism of K-pop Demon Hunters, a story about Rumi's battle with Jinu, a battle that isn't about destroying an enemy, but about transforming a wounded part of herself. And esoteric symbolism in film is the language of the soul. It hides truth in characters, colors, and conflicts so you can witness the invisible parts of the human journey through visible form. Because movies aren't literal, they're mirrors showing us the inner terrain we've forgotten how to see. And this amazing, beautiful film draws from ancient spiritual knowledge, the knowledge that the human journey is to become aware of the negative patterns of the mind, fear, shame, self-judgment, and learn how to love them out of their pain so they can be free. Only then can the soul be fully free to express itself. Jinu isn't just a demon in Rumi's world. He is the personification of her own ego mind. He is her interior dialogue. The ego mind is simply a part of you that learned how to survive in a world that's forgotten love. Then comes her turning point. Rumi sees the patterns. She realizes that Jinu just isn't attacking her. He's pleading for her affection. This is the spiritual truth. You cannot hate the ego into silence. You must love it into freedom. And Rumi begins to face Jinu differently. Not as a foe, but as a wounded companion she can guide out of suffering. And then the battle shifts. The demon begins to soften. And this awakening births the Honmoon, a state where the soul's joy radiates so powerfully that it uplifts everyone around you. And the Honmoon is a spiritual ripple effect of self-love. It's the frequency you emit when your inner war ends. In the final moments, Rumi doesn't kill Jinu. She embraces him. And in that embrace, the demon dissolves not into nothingness, but into light. The ego mind then becomes an ally. The mind becomes a servant to the soul. That's the true ascension, not escaping the human experience, but mastering it. When you love your shadows, you liberate your soul. When your soul is free, you become a source of joy that awakens the same freedom in others. Your Jinu might not look like a demon in leather and shadow, but it's there. It's the voice in your head that doubts, criticizes, and fears. We all have it. These are the patterns of the mind. The spiritual journey of being human isn't about killing these patterns or pretending they don't exist. It's about meeting them with love and presence. Because when the mind is then free, your soul can then sing, can dance, can express itself. You no longer chase joy. You radiate it. This is the story hidden in K-pop Demon Hunters. A story that's really about your own spiritual human journey.
This is what it's